This is the day after the storm. Hope we're all doing okay. Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santamaria. Late afternoon ride. It's 5:11 in the afternoon. Lakas ng hangin. You might be picking up wind dito sa audio. May bagyo pa eh. The storm hasn't quite left the country, so may mga still have winds. As far as rain is concerned, and lakas na hangin. And apologies kung natatabunan yung audio. Hope I'm shielding this properly with my palm. Walang ride for 4 days eh. It's been raining. So this afternoon nagkaroon ng window na walang ulan. Eto, lumabas tayo. Pero ano to, I'm feeling a little bit of rain now. Ano ba yan? As in ngayon lang. I'm feeling showers. Pero yeah, tuloy tayo. Lakas ng hangin. And one reason why I'm going out this afternoon is I want to see the area. You know, we have it lucky here in the south. Lalo na dito sa area ko. Daang Hari. Crossing the Las Piñas, Muntinlupa, and Bacoor borders. Itong stretch na to. We have it good here compared to the other areas nga. Vela, Marikina, certain places in Manila, Vito Cruz, Taft, España. Lubog na lubog eh. And if you're from there, I hope you're okay. Hindi kami binabaha dito, and that's one thing I'm very thankful for. Been living here 12 years. Never ako nagkaroon ng sakit ng ulo dito. And the area in general is very very community-based, I would say, na andito lahat sa immediate area mo. Within a 10-kilometer radius, maski within a 5-kilometer radius, andyan lahat. You have access to everything. So we're anticipating na abuti tayo ng dilim. So we're prepared for a night ride. I have my headlamp here. Yung taillight ko palagi naman dyan. Yung Garmin Varia natin. I also have my Gile. Neon pink. Pwede pang jogging sa gabi.
Papabili lang utusan ako Pandesal.
Ayos, saan?
Pandesal ride. West na lang. Ano bang west pa rin?
So diretso na doon.
Yeah, pwede.
So maiksing short ride na night ride sa gabi.
Actually, pwede rin palang Makati Soup. Ako makawala eh.
Ako din? Ilang araw din yan? Kanina nung lumabas ako, may boost pa nga ng konti eh.
Oo.
Nagbadya. May Gile ka?
Yeah.
Ayan. Pangontra yan.
Ito yung pangontra ko lagi na pag sinuot ko, hindi ulan.
Yan. Yung Gile ko, mahina ang powers. Kulang sa gamit.
Ginamit ko to sa El Nido eh. Hindi nga umulan, no, pare?
Oh, di ba? Pangontra talaga.
Ang lakas ng ulan doon, eh.
Dito pala sa Daanghari. These parts, no? Tapat ng Ayala Southvale. Sa may bandang Champaka side ng AAB. Madalas may build up. Yung southbound, kasi puro construction. May mga hukay. If you take these roads, alam niyo yan. A few months na rin ganito. Basura. Alam mo yung nakita malaking dahilan ng flooding sa Metro Manila, basura pare.
Oh, basura yan.
Parang hindi naman nakakagulat, pero it's still disheartening whenever you see na ang daming in-unclog ng mga drain. Yung sewer system, okay naman eh, pero talagang barado eh, hindi gumana, hindi umandar. Simula sa planning nga, sa zoning,
Yup.
masyado madami ng ano dito.
Daming open space na ginamit para
Yeah.
sa development.
Oo.
Dapat.
Oo. Tigil muna tayo sa Makati Supermarket. Manny's gonna buy something. Napag-utusan ni Commander. Ang pila na to. Jamba juice. Excuse me. May Jamba juice pa pala.
Pare, hindi mo lang dito.
Sige. Just park it. See you.
Pandesal run.
Let's do it. I want to go back to what I told Manny nga. Dito sa findings, dito sa baha sa Metro Manila. Basura, yung largest culprit. Of course, nandiyan na yung problema ng zoning and planning and mahinang sewage system. Nandiyan na yan. Minsan talaga kapag madaming tubig, hindi talaga kaya eh. But, yung basura na bumara sa mga drains, resulta ng disiplina or lack thereof. Tapon-tapon, or basurang hindi nakokolekta kagad, naanod, tapos bumabara na. It's funny how the solutions are right under our noses, pero wala eh. Kung ano pa yung mga simpleng bagay, yun ang mahirap ipatupad sa totoo lang. Yun ang mahirap sundin. Ba't ganun? Bilis ni Manny ah. Does he have the epektos? Ayan, nilabas na yung backpack niya. Okay, good. Ayan. Mission accomplished. Is Commander gonna be happy?
Hopefully.
Okay, yeah. Reporting for duty. I wasn't aware that But Jamba Juice still has the hype. Pila eh. Okay, we're going back. Coffee break na. Let's go to Alabang West Parade. Same way back. Tuyo dito sa Alabang. Umulan ng umaga but maaga tumigil. And yung rain nga nung lumabas tayo, wala na. Here we go.
No, UCC.
It's up to you.
Try UCC.
Okay. Change of plans. UCC. This is Urban Soul. Masarap dyan. Authentic. Hindi pa ako nakaka-dine in dyan sa totoo lang. Pero na-discover namin yan nung pandemya. I would come here, order takeout. At ang favorite Korean dish ko is dak galbi. Chicken na spicy na may red sauce. And it's red because of the red bean paste, of course. And the chilies. No? Urban Soul. If you're ever in Alabang West Parade, this is not sponsored. If you're in the area, try niyo yan. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo dyan. Yan din pala. Meron din tayong Brotzeit dito. Brotzeit is German. No? Brotzeit. That's two words. Brot means bread. And Zeit means time. So, Brotzeit, kung ililiteral mo, bread time. But Brotzeit really means meal time, kainan na. Yung bread lang is a representation of the meal. No, so Brotzeit. Bread time. We're pulling up to UCC. Ito ang meron ka sa UCC. Meron kang lake dyan. Ganda, di ba?
Denuded daw ang Rizal. Kaya lahat ng tubig sa Rizal pupunta ng Metro Manila, nagbabaha. Number one, itong Rizal Taytay area, pababa niya. Andun na yung Laguna Lake, andun ang Manggahan Floodway. So doon lang pupunta yun. So hindi ma-affect ang Metro Manila po. So doon yung discharge. Number two, they were talking about yung quarry. Doon sa area na yun, sa may mahabang parang. Maraming ano doon, quarry. Ano ba yung kinakwari doon? Ang kinakwari doon, high grade na, forgot the term, if it's gravel or basalt, na stone na ginagamit pang highway. No, not highway. Airport grade, runway grade.
Okay. Tarmac grade.
Tarmac grade, gravel. Ay,
Okay.
nasa ilalim ng tarmac. Ibig sabihin, yung buong area na yon, bato. So, hindi magsisipin yung tubig.
Okay.
So, kahit anong gawin mo, magpo-flow at magpo-flow pa rin yung tubig where it counts. So, unfounded.
Oh.
That valley used to be open space dahil alam nila lahat dyan daan ng tubig.
Okay.
Eh, i-develop eh. Anong magagawa mo?
Pero walang mga batas noon na untouchable to because mava-violate ang zoning.
I would think meron. I'm not really sure. So,
Money
hindi
talks
ko
eh.
alam historically kung ano nangyari. Pero,
Yeah.
kung sinunod yung original master plans before,
Did it.
same here.